Hello, everyone, welcome back to Wizard official channel. If you have no motivation to wake up every morning, choose your favorite song as an alarm to wake you up. So, today we will guide you on how to set Amazon Music as an alarm on your Echo devices. You can get more details on the post's link below if you want to set Amazon Music alarm on other devices. If you want to set alarm on Amazon Echo, navigate to Alexa app. Click More option. Tap on Routines tab and choose plus icon to create routine. Tap on Add and Even to choose Schedule option. Choose a time and select the days and time. Tap on Next. You will head back to the routine setting. Tap plus icon next to the Add an Action. Scroll down and choose Music and Podcast. Click the provider option and paste the artist or song's name you want to set it as alarm. Tap on Next to head back to Initial Interface. And click Save icon to confirm the alarm settings on Echo. Plus, you can also say, Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. with song name from Amazon Music. But Amazon Music free and premium users are not accessible for on-demand playback. The music that wake you up may not your favorite song. So, the best way is to download Amazon Music to local and set the local music files as alarm on Alexa. However, how to download Amazon Music to MP3? You need a powerful Amazon Music converter to help you obtain the downloads. Wizard Amazon Music Converter is a nice choice for you. Multiple audio formats, MP3, AIFF, M4A, M4B, FLAC, and WAV. Sample rates and bitrate you can choose up to 44.8 kHz and 256 kbps. Open Wizard on your screen. Set the downloads preferences first. Go to Conversion section. And choose the audio format, audio bitrate, audio sample rate according to your needs. Tap OK option to save the settings. Then you can choose song to download. After choosing, tap on Add to List. You can check the list and click Convert to start to download. Once finished downloading, you can transfer the downloads to your mobile with USB cable. Then open Alexa app to add a new routine. The steps are same as before. But the source provider you need to choose My Music, and paste the name of your song to allow Alexa read your library. Then you can click Save to confirm the setting.